Crypto prices are taking a very hard hit today. Actually, one of the hardest hits since 2024. The entire year of 2025 is not seeing as much liquidations as we're seeing today, and that's one of the reasons we're seeing the declines that we're seeing. Now, I'm going to go over that in the video, but we're going to be talking about what's happening, prices for XRP, Solana, Ethereum, major altcoins out there. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now you can see it's a very red day across the board. We've got Ethereum at 41.73, down 7% on the day today. XRP down about 4% of the day. Solana down 7%. Dogecoin down 10+% on the day today. Things are getting hit very, very hard. And one of the reasons? This is the largest crypto liquidation since 2014. Now, we have had some very nice price action over the last couple of months, and really over the last couple of weeks, as investors have been anticipating the Federal Reserve rate cut that took place a few days ago. Now, with more rate cuts on the horizon, I still believe that we are going to see that shift from risk-off assets into risk-on assets, meaning the altcoins are going to thrive. The meme coins are going to thrive. What we're witnessing right now is a little bit of a shakeout. I believe that institutions may be selling off. They may be hitting these liquidation levels, driving leverage traders out of the market before the next leg higher. So what's happening? It says the crypto market has just been hit by the largest liquidation wave since 2024 on December 9th, with $1.68 billion in leverage positions being wiped out in a single day and 390,000 traders being forced out. Now, guys, leverage trading, you can do very, very well leverage trading if you get it right. You can do very, very bad if you get it wrong. And that's what happened to 390,000 traders. See, here's the thing with leverage, right? If you go and you open up a leverage position on Ethereum or Bitcoin and so on, because a lot of platforms, this is KSX, you guys got a link for this down in the description if you want to use it, but a lot of platforms allow you to trade on up to 125x leverage or even more on other exchanges. So what does that mean, right? That means that if you go out there with a few $100s, or maybe a few $1,000, and you were to open up a successful leverage position, 100x, you are going to make life-changing money. And if 300,000 traders were able to do that, we are talking about hundreds of billions of dollars, if not more, flowing into the hands of retail investors. Now, they can't afford that. Right? It's just the way that it is. These institutions, these exchanges, they cannot afford that. And I do believe that they go stop loss hunting. I do believe that they go out there and go liquidation hunting because they know that if the rally occurred when there was mass leverage positions open, they would not be able to afford to pay the retail investors that open them. So I believe that here at the end of September, liquidation hunting has taken place. And we are getting ready for Uptober. Now, I'm still optimistic, right? I believe that we've got good gains ahead of us. It says September has been a bit of a tough month for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the past, with past records showing heavy red months like negative 37% for Bitcoin in 2020 and 17% loss for Ethereum in 2018. However, October has been the opposite, averaging 15% gains for Bitcoin. That's averaging 15% gains, guys, and delivering monster green candles for Ethereum, like 42% in 2021 and 58% in 2020. That is a single month. And if we get any sort of a repetition of that here in 2025, we could be seeing Ethereum at prices above $6,000 per coin. We could be seeing Bitcoin around $150,000 per coin. We could be seeing massive gains in the cryptocurrency space, leading, right? We're on that 4-year cycle to that 4-year bull market peak. So I continue to buy. Now, one of the places I hold a lot of my cryptocurrency is on Best Wallet. So if you guys want to download Best Wallet absolutely free, you've got a link for it down in the description. And do not forget, these tiny little new meme coins could see the most explosive gains during a bull market FOMO rally. So Pepe Node, Maxi Doge, you've got Best Wallet itself, Snorter Token. I am buying into these and I am excited about the gains that are ahead. If you guys are interested in buying things like Bitcoin Hyper, you've got links for everything down in the description below. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Yes, today was a shakeout, but if you didn't get shaken out, you are here for the run, and that's what I'm here for. I want to know what you guys are here for down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.